Evening, folks. DC Works here. Tonight I thought I'd talk about old Snap-on versus new Snap-on. What I have here, they call these a short handle, 10-degree offset, and SAE. I have an older one dated back to 1960, the XS 1416. Would be the 7/16 and a half-inch SAE wrench sizes. And I also have an XS 1214A. Two things I'd like to mention. Snap-on, this one's a 2023. Couple notes of interest. Snap-on really hasn't changed their numbers in, 60 years, because this one is the same number. They're not the same size wrench, but they're one size up. This one's one size up. They added an A for the new ones. The old ones have no A. So pretty cool on that front. I mean, literally, I've not changed a lot of their numbers in 60, 65 years. This wrench is from 1960. That'd be 65 years old. Still a beautiful wrench. Another thing I will have to say that, they both got the same 10-degree offset. We're very close to it. As you can see, the newer Snap-on wrench is thicker and wider. And to me, actually, a little blockier. The old ones, 1960 wrench, rounded sides, thinner, narrower, and actually seems more elegant and more graceful. But still both beautiful wrenches. And I thought I'd give my thoughts on them. So thanks for watching.